your bone is not enough.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies. Today I have a wig from Sensationnel. It is from their stocking cap collection. It's a custom lace wig. It says that it is heat safe 350 to 400 degrees. I have it in the color 1B, and the name of the wig is YAKI 30. This is the box that it comes in, and it looks like it's probably going to be about 30 inches. The back of the box gives you other wigs that's in this collection. Looks like you get a straight, you get some French wave, body wave, bohemian, loose deep, wet curly, and then you get another straight one. It looks like this straight will maybe cut up a little higher. So let's open the box and get into it. The back of it gives you some colors that it comes in and how to apply the wig and how to take care of the wig. So it looks like you get a good amount of parting, but the parting's pretty closed. At least it's closed for my taste. So you get 2 combs right at the parting area, no combs on the side, and then you get a comb and adjustable straps in the back. Let's take off the tag. Okay, looks like the lace isn't a full lace in the front. You're only getting the lace like at your temple. Oh gosh. I'm gonna tell you right away, another good one. As far as the feel of the cap, feels so good. So good. So let's look at the parting area in the front. You see that? I mean, let's look at the lace. That's where the lace comes. So on the side, you don't get a lot of lace, but if you were to pull it up in some way, I guess you could pull it up here, but it's meant to be literally worn down, and it gives you sheer vibes. I mean, it's straight. This hair feels so good. Like, this hair feels freaking amazing. Like, it's like literally like human hair. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fix the part. I'm probably gonna do that on camera. That's just so that everyone can see the technique. No matter how many times I do it, I always get asked about fixing the part. So I'm gonna go through that slow, and then we'll probably speed up the rest. But just because I want to show this step, because I know how it is as a beginner when you want to learn how to do something and you're just like frustrated, I can't get this part right. So 2 things. It's just some water, spray bottle, and this teeny bobby pin, and all we're going to do is go in and see where the tracks are, which, since this is the middle part, they're probably equal on both sides, but let's just check that out. Looks like it is. See, you go in, find track right here, so you get about this much hair to pluck. Same thing on that side. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to slide it directly by the part. To make sure you guys can see that. We're just gonna go on up this side. And see, we're hitting a track there, so we know to okay. Now we're just going to start to pluck. Singly pull. As you can see, this is the part. The parting area came out pretty good. I did have, like I said, a little spot where I ended up ripping my lace. It took a little bit to get the hairs out of this part. They were totally stubborn. So I will probably fix that later, but I'm gonna go ahead on and finish the review the next thing I'm going to do is just take off the lace. Now when I take my lace off, I don't cut it straight across. I try to make it slightly rigid, just so that it doesn't look like a straight line. So that's what I'm going to do there. And then after I do that, then I'm going to add some powder in the parting area. That's just to blend in with my skin. And the powder that I'm going to use today is by Revolution, and it is my baking powder. So I'm going to just take a little bit of that and I'm going to put that into the parting area. And as you can see, this is it right here. Okay, ladies, this is the final look for Miss YAKI 30, and I will tell you that she is a really cute unit. I think that she's another bomb, another must-have if you like long wigs, especially if you like a long straight wig. So I gave you a 360 of it, but let me let you get a whole front view. Not sure if I did that. Back up for you. So she's pretty long. She comes right underneath my boobs area, and I am 5'5". So so yeah. So the front of the wig was a little challenging. So let's get into my pros and cons. I always like to do cons first. Cons is you don't get lace. Excuse me. You don't get lace around the total perimeter. You only get it like maybe the forehead region, so you can still secure it down with some got to be glued spray or gel or any of the techniques you want to use to secure it down. You can still do that with this one because it is soft lace. Now I found out the hard way that it's really soft lace, because when I was plucking my part, although I was careful, I still end up getting puncturing it. So the way that they have this part, it came very close, and it's almost stitched like clothes. So I end up having to go in and clean up the part. But that's the thing when you are dealing with this softer lace. So anyway, the cons is going to be the parting area, and you got to be really careful when plucking it. So that's a con. You don't get lace around the full unit. I will say that I like the hair texture. It's silky. Some people won't like that, so I'll have to mention that it's silky. And that's probably the only two cons. It's made to be a middle part. You probably could shift it. But it's made to be a middle part, so you do get the style that is on the model. Because I always like to see, like, am I gonna get or be able to create the style that is on the photo? Because most of the times that's what makes you purchase a product. You're like, oh well, I want to look like that, or I want my hair to look like that. So I will give them a A+ for me being able to mimic what's on there. So the pros of the unit, I have a lot of pros. I think that the unit is really pretty, really worth your money. As you know, with synthetic wigs, I absolutely love synthetic wigs because I like to switch my look up. So this is a look. It depends on what you're wearing, where you're going, what you're doing to wear 30 inches of hair. Does it feel heavy? No, it does not feel heavy. Like I mentioned, I like the texture of it. It's not silk. It's silky. Let me put it like this. It's like a relaxed hair. When you get your hair relaxed and then you go and you flat iron it, that's to me the texture. It says YAKI, but it's not the YAKI where it's that coarse YAKI. So it flows really easy. to me, I just think it mimics human hair. It's really, 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 really nice. I'm just really impressed with these straight YAKI units lately. So it's really nice. So I like that. I like the length of it, and I like how they went in here around the face and they just kind of cut it. But see, I like what they did, because this is how your hair would normally grow. You know, it's not going to be just like straight all the way down. So I like how they went in and they kind of cut it a little bit here and gave you layers in the front, and they did it to mimic how your hair would grow. So I like that a lot. So another pro is obviously the way the cap feels. You don't even know you got on a wig. I can't, as many wigs as I wear, I can't, it feels like I have nothing on my head. So although the lace was very, very soft, also the cap is very soft, because it's a stocking cap. It's breathable. Like I can't tell I have anything on. It feels like I don't have anything on my head. I don't feel, it's not tight. It's not, you just can't tell. Like I can't tell I have anything on my head. So I do like that. This, you just don't feel it. So I like that. I like the shine. It's not too shiny. I have not gotten shedding. Obviously this is my initial review, but I haven't gotten any shedding. I always like to wear, usually before I post, I will wear the wig just like throughout the day, or play with it or something, just to see if that happens. But I haven't gotten any shedding. Usually, you know, because when I start pulling on it or whatever, I'm like, oh man, this thing shed like a dog. But you know, this one here is not shedding. So I do like that. I'm getting Cher vibes with this. I'm getting Cher vibes. I get Kim K when she wears her hair straight vibes with this. Just a straight up simple middle part that you can just, like I say, dress up or dress down. It's cute on a summer day, or it's cute if you're going to an event. So I think that this wig, all in all, is very good. You should purchase it if you're looking for something straight, if you're looking for something long, if you're looking for something with a little bit of texture. You don't have to do anything. If you're used to wearing bundles and things like that, this is probably going to be the wig for you. So if you're looking to purchase something for a teenager or someone younger in your life who, you know, everybody's in the bundles, then this would be a good wig, because when she's in between getting that hair done, girl, she can go and put on her YAKI 30. So thank you ladies so much for watching the video today. I hope you've subscribed to the channel. If you have not, please hit that subscription button. Hit the bell next to it if you'd like to be notified every time I review a wig or I upload a video. Do not forget, if you share this video or any of my videos on your social media, do not forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.